Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best glue sticks for glue guns in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. These hot glue gun sticks from Gorilla are considered to stand tall among the best on the market. They are fantastic for a wide range of projects. This glue stick isn't limited to temperature range, but the temperature you end up using will depend on the material you are working with. Use high temperature if you need a very strong bond and low temperatures when working with delicate materials. Does being the best glue sticks mean that they are also weather resistant? Not always, but a Gorilla Hot Glue Stick is what you buy if you want weather resistance and to work with a wide range of unfamiliar surfaces. This glue stick is also perfect for filling in gaps. I love the fact that my arts and crafts aren't affected by seasonal temperature swings. You will get the best performance from this glue stick if you follow the manufacturer's instructions to the letter. Unlike traditional glue sticks, you can even sand the joints made by this hot melt glue, but only by hand. If you are using anything electric, you'll be making that joint again. Number 2. Our second best pick is Artelius Glue Sticks. If you want one of the best glue sticks on the market, then look no further than Artelius. These amazing glue sticks give you a beautiful end result for your art, regardless of the material you are working with. These come in different sized packs, so you can choose the size you need, though the larger the pack, the more you save. These glue sticks from Artelius don't limit the temperature range you can use within your glue gun, and these work well whether you are using a low or high temperature gun. These are some good quality glue sticks that aren't easily damaged. Make sure, however, to adjust your temperatures to the material you are working with. This glue stick is great for basic repairs, arts and crafts, homemade jewelry, foam, yard, and also fabrics. This is a multi-purpose glue stick that certainly won't go to waste if you buy it in bulk. This is well suited for use in your home, school, office, or any other project location you might have. Professionals, amateurs, and students alike will find this an easy glue stick to work with, and it's that perfect type of glue stick for DIY projects as you get consistent, high-quality results. Number 3. Our third best pick is Petift Glitter Glue Sticks. Want to add a bit of color and sparkle to your projects? Then these colored glue sticks are for you. These Petift Glitter Glue Sticks come in a wide variety of colors. You can purchase these glue sticks from stores near you, or you can get them shipped to your location from sites such as Amazon. These are perfect for use in your DIY projects, crafting, or holiday ornaments. You could use these for general repairs. But they'd be very obvious repairs. The best glue sticks are those that have fantastic adhesion. Petift Glitter Glue Sticks are the best when you use them with wood, plastic, glass, paper, and fabrics. You can also use these with ceramics, electronic appliances, carton sealing, and crafts. Basically, you can use these on anything you would normally use a hot melt glue on. This is a kind of glue stick, which is known for making strong and stable joints. Don't let the color of these make you think that these are durable, strong glue sticks. If you want a tough joint in your crafts, then you cannot go wrong with these Petift Glitter Glue Sticks. These hot melt glue sticks are made from thermoplastic materials, making them non-toxic. You can get 60 pieces in 12 assorted colors for an incredibly low price. Want to save more money? Then purchase the larger packs as buying in bulk saves you money. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fastener Glue Sticks. I find that the best glue sticks to buy are those that can be used with the widest range of hot glue guns on the market. So you really can't go wrong with these non-toxic Fastener glue sticks. These are incredibly versatile and can be picked up almost anywhere in the world. This is a glue stick that's been designed for all types of glue ups, and because of that, this is the type of glue stick that you should be looking for. To get the best out of this Fastener brand of glue stick, you really need to follow the DIY instructions, which are included in the glue stick packet. To get the best join possible, you should hold the joined surfaces together for at least 15 seconds, and this will result in a strong joint. This is not the kind of glue stick you should buy if you are looking for a quick set, as this will take between 30 and 60 seconds to set fully, so you should expect to be giving your project a bit of resting time. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is uxcell glue sticks. Glue sticks from uxcell are available in a wide range of sizes and are non-toxic. You can buy a pack with just a few sticks, or in bulk. It entirely depends on your project and your needs. Buying in bulk, getting as many sticks as possible will save you money in the long run, and you won't be at a loss as all of these glue sticks can be stored for use at a later date. Are you looking for the best glue stick that solidifies in a short space of time? Then these glue sticks from uxcell are a worthy investment, as these will set within 8 to 10 seconds, that's an incredible setting time. The line you create with your glue gun is going to be precise, and thanks to the quick setting time, the line you make will not melt beyond your desired area. This is also the kind of glue stick you buy when you are looking for a cold-resistant glue stick. The joints you make with this glue stick aren't going to dry out at the joint if subjected to the cold. The ivory white color of this glue stick makes it suitable if you need a translucent finish. If you want a glue stick, which has a very low toxic level within your crafts, this is great for Christmas gifts or for food packaging. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.